Ndibo Kwenu. Ndibo Kwenu. Ahambu Pedrology. My name is Pedrology, and I'm super excited about this year's competition. We're doing a dance competition for the first time. All you have to do to enter the competition is do the dance that you're gonna see after this video. You're gonna learn 2 8 counts. After you learn the 2 8 counts, add on whatever you wanna add on. All you have to do is tag Umibo Unite and tag Pedrology to the video as well. In order to win the competition this year, you have to go to the convention this year in Minnesota. On Thursday, the dance competition will take place and you'll be eligible to win $1,000 in cash prizes. Good luck.
Time to wine you, time to fly.